going on a walking history lesson. Today I'm going to learn all about the Third Reich tour. And I learned about this when I was a little kid, but now I'm actually in the place where the Nazi Party was born. This should be very interesting.
In March 1933, then starts the 12-year period known as the Third Reich, at which point any organization that cannot be absorbed by the Nazis is disbanded.
This building right behind me used to be an old beer hall, and this is where Hitler and his buddies started the Nazi Party. This is the Grand Fest Hall of the Hofbrauhaus. This is where Hitler would come and have his giant meetings, and most men loved alcohol, and when men get drunk, they come up with ideas, crazy ideas, so I think he used alcohol to his benefit, even though he himself did not drink at all. Behind me is the eternal flame of the human spirit, and as you can see, it's enclosed in a cage, and that's to symbolize all the humans that lived under the Nazi regime living in a cage. Citizens of Munich used to have to do the Nazi salute when they walked by, but a lot of people weren't down with that, so they would come through here, through Dodger's Alley, and avoid doing the salute.
Informative, riveting. If anybody has any thought of learning about the Third Reich history, they should take this tour. It's fantastic.
In the past 3 hours, I've learned more about the Nazi Party and the Third Reich than I did in all of my high school history classes. This has been really interesting.